Hey, it's Stephanie Codsey from the Codsey Mortgage team. My sister Marissa mentioned to me, because I did a video on using Equifax to get your credit score, and she was talking about Credit Karma. So this was really big in the States, and it's now coming to Canada, and well, it's in Canada now, so it's starting to grow. And it's basically a free credit service. It will show you your credit score. It won't show you, your exact liabilities. I'm not sure because I'm not on it yet, so I'm going to basically sign up for it and show you what it's like, and we can compare the credit score that Credit Karma gives me and the one that Equifax gives me. So I'm going to try and do this video and screen share at the same time, and let's see how it works out. I hope it works out well. All right. So that didn't work. Basically, I'll take you through how I did it with Credit Karma. So I created a login, and then it asked me for my information. So my name, my address, my social insurance number, and then it asked questions to verify. So basically the same way Equifax did it. So I verified my information by what credit cards I have, where my bank location is. It also asks you for your income amount so that it can verify that. And once you do that, it'll, populate your credit score. For me, I got an 815 on Credit Karma, and comparing that to Equifax, my Equifax score was 778. I think. You can check in my video on Equifax. I show it. So there is quite a bit of a difference in that. And so I would just be aware of that this gives you a higher score than, when you pull your Equifax for about $24. I also wanted to mention that, when a broker or a bank pulls your credit score for a mortgage loan, your score will be a little bit lower than that. The way they do algorithms, and then for those types of loans to pull out the credit score, it takes that risk assessment into its algorithm. And so if I pulled on Equifax 778, then if I pull for myself, when I do eventually buy, it might be 760. I don't know. I know I've seen, where people have pulled Equifax and then we've pulled to submit the mortgage, and it's been, 30 points different. I've seen 15 points different, and I don't exactly know why it's one person, it's 30 points compared to the other person, and it's 15 points different. But it's just something to be aware about. And so if you're using Credit Karma, it is free, but be aware this is quite a bit higher of a score. So if you're closer to that buying or refinancing time, and you feel like you need to check your credit before you have a broker check it, or whoever you're using as a lender, then you might want to pay that $24 into Equifax to have a little bit more of a realistic score than Credit Karma. Credit Karma does provide you with a score, and it will provide you with your credit items. It will show you your limit and your balance. It will show you the same items, like if you have had any late payments. So it does show you basically the exact same, but it does have a little bit of a higher score. Credit Karma looks like it uses TransUnion, so it's just basically another credit company. So there's Equifax and TransUnion. It looks like they use TransUnion to do the calculation. So I hope that was helpful. give it a try. It's free. My sister uses it all the time. She has an app on her phone, and it can give her updates on her credit, and she likes it. And it's a free software that just will help you keep track of your credit score, which I think is awesome. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes, and I hope this was helpful. All right, take care now. Bye.